In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Lycamobile no service. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Making sure that your Lycamobile SIM card is properly set up is essential to ensure that you don't encounter issues while trying to use its services. So if you get a warning telling you that your Lycamobile SIM has no service or emergency only, you might want to take some steps to ensure that your SIM card is properly set up. First, before I start teaching what you can do to fix this issue, I do want to comment that sometimes the issue is on their end or you are at a remote place that doesn't allow for signal to reach your SIM card. Keep that in mind. Make sure that you are in a well-open coverage area, and if you are too far outside of a coverage area, you might be unable to fix the issue on your own. You can also try basic stuff like restarting your device and updating it as necessary. Also, consider reslotting the SIM card if you have access to the SIM card slot tray. With these basic steps out of the way, the first thing that you have to check, especially if you have dual SIM slots on your phone, is to go into the SIM cards and mobile networks settings. This might be under different names depending on your brand of phone, but for my Android phone, it is under SIM cards and mobile networks. In there, you can manage all the SIM cards inserted into your phone, and you want to check to see if the Lycamobile SIM card that you have is being properly detected and enabled. Sometimes you will have a tick box to enable that specific SIM, and you can also set it as a default. The next thing that you have to check is inside of the Lycamobile app. By using the app, you can input your phone number to see if your SIM card is properly active with a data plan attached to it. If you don't have a data plan, you aren't going to be using the Lycamobile services. You will not be allowed to turn on mobile data or cellular data and use the internet with the Lycamobile SIM card that you have. So the best ways to ensure that you get service is to be in a good coverage area. Make sure that your SIM card is detected and enabled on the SIM card settings, and ensure that you have a plan active through the latest version of the Lycamobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Lycamobile no service. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.